Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for David, North Carolina on the Connex CX-36HPF. That's right, frequency counter on these nice little Connexes. If you don't like the real bright blue, you've got a dim here, noise blanker A&L. Actually have a Roger beat and talk back. RF power here. Dual echo control. And I really like the little yellow meters in here. David wanted a wideband receiving transmit. We did that to this, as well as a voltage regulator upgrade. A couple more little things, our tune alignment. Let's get right to it. We got the 50 watt slug in place here, and that's a half a watt all the way down, 5 watts all the way up, and I'm going to show you average power swing. About 21 bird. Over here to peak power, 100 watt scale. About 52 PEP. Alright, David, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bumbo.